Hello friends, welcome to exam study. Today in this segment we will revise our history GK with MCQ and explanation. Okay, this is modern history session and I will discuss the questions expected for the upcoming exam of SSC, CIHSL, SSC, CGL, railway and state exams. Okay, so without talking much friends, let's start today's session. So first question is the last Governor General and Viceroy of British India was. So who was the last Governor General and the first Viceroy of British India? Okay friend. So let's see the options. Option A, Lord Dalhousie. Option B, John Lawrence. Option C, Warren Hastings. And option D, Lord Canning. Okay friend. So the correct option is option D. Yes friends. Lord Canning was the last Governor General and the first Viceroy of India. Okay. And that was declared by the Government of India Act 1858 after the Sipai Mutiny. Okay friend. Let's see the next question. Mangal Pandey fired the first shot of the revolt of 1857. That is Sipai Mutiny. Okay, where or at? So we have to find out the place name where first the Sipai Mutiny started. Okay, and Mangal Pandey was the first patriot also. Okay, let's see. Option A, Barakpur. Option B, Meerut. Option C, Kanpur. And option D, Jhansi. So friend, here the correct option is Barakpur. So option A is the correct option. Okay friend. Let's see the next question. Who among the following was not associated with the revolt of 1857? So friend, here we have to find out the name who was not connected with the Sipai Mutiny. Okay friend. So let's see the options. Option A, Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Option B, Nana Sahib. Option C, Begum Hazrat Mahal. And option D, Khan Bahadur. Okay friend. So here the correct option is option A. Yes friend. Maharaja Ranjit Singh was not associated with the revolt of 1857. Okay friends. Let's see the next question. One of the India's first freedom fighters against British is. So friend, we have to find out from the option who was the first freedom fighters among them. Okay. Option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Option B, Kittur Rani Chennamma. Option C, Rani Lakshmi Bai. And option D, none of these. So friends, here the correct option is option C. Yes friend, Rani Lakshmi Bai was the first freedom fighters against British among these options. Okay, let's see the next. The Sipai Mutiny took place in the year. So friend, we have to find out the year when the Sipai Mutiny started. Okay, let's see the options. Option A, 1757. Option B, 1761. Option C, 1836. And option D, 1857. So friends, here the correct option is option D. Yes friends, Sipai Mutiny started on 1857 and 1757 is very important for the famous battle of Plassey. Okay, this is also most repeated question. You should remember these 2 years. Let's see the next question. During India's freedom struggle, the Sipai Mutiny started from which of the following places? So friends, we have to find out from where the Sipai Mutiny started. Option A, Agra. Option B, Gwalior. Option C, Jhansi. And option D, Meerut. So friend, here the correct option is option D. Yes friends, during Indian freedom struggle, Sipai Mutiny started from Meerut. Okay friend, let's see the next question. Who was the author of the book The Last Mughal, The Fall of a Dynasty, Delhi, 1857? Option A, John Kirkland. Option B, William Dalrymple. Option C, Thomas Wilson. And option D, Simon Digboy. So friend, here the correct option is option B. Yes friend, William Dalrymple was the writer of the book The Last Mughal, The Fall of a Dynasty, Delhi, 1857. Okay friends, let's see the next question. Kunwar Singh led the revolt of 1857 in. So friend, Kunwar Singh was a leader of the Sipai mutiny for which place? Let's see the options. Option A Punjab, option B Bengal, option C Bihar, and option D Maharashtra. So friends, the correct option will option C. Yes friend, Kunwar Singh led the revolt of 1857 from Bihar, and the place name is Bhagalpur, right? This is most repeated question in competitive exam. Okay, next question. The revolt of 1857 was witnessed by the poet. So who was the poet? Was the witness of the Sipai mutiny? Let's see the options. Mir Taki Mir, option B Juak, option C Ghalib, and option D Iqbal. So friend, the correct option is option C. Yes friend, Muhammad Ghalib was witnessed the revolt of Sipai mutiny and revolt of 1857, and he was a great singer also. Okay, next. Who among the following was the bitterest enemy of the British during revolt of 1857? So friends, who was the bitterest enemy of the British during the Sipai mutiny? Option A Maulavi Ahmadullah Shah, option B Maulavi Imadullah, and option C Maulana Fazl-e-Haq Kairabadi. Okay, and option D Nabab Liaquat Ali. So friends, here the correct option is option A. Yes friend, Maulavi Ahmadullah Shah was the bitterest enemy of the British during Sipai mutiny. Okay friends, let's move on to the next question. Which one of the following commission is associated with the army reorganization after the suppression of the revolt of 1857? Okay friend, so after the Sipai mutiny, which commission was related to the army reorganization? Okay friend, let's see the options. Option A Public Service Commission, that is PSC, Peel Commission, option C Hunter Commission, and option D Simon Commission. So friend, here the correct option is option B. Yes friend, so Peel Commission is the commission related to the army reorganization after Sipai mutiny. Okay friend, let's see the next question. After the revolt of 1857, the British recruited, this is recruited, okay, the soldiers from the which place? We have to find out that. Okay, option A Brahmins of UP and Bihar, option B Bengalis and Odisha and Odias from east, Gorkha, Sikh and Punjabis in the north, and option D Madras Presidency and Marathas. So friend, here the correct option is option C. Yes friend, after the Sipai mutiny, British recruited soldiers from Gorkha, Sikh and the Punjabis from the north part of India. Okay friend, move on to the next question. When did Queen Victoria declare the taking over Indian administration under British Crown? So friend, we know that till Sipai mutiny, the colonial rule was going on, and after the Sipai mutiny, the British crown rule started. So when Queen Victoria declared that British government will take the charge of India. Okay, let's see the options. Option A 1st November 1858, option B 31st December 1857, option C 6th January 1858, and option D 17th November 1859. Okay friends, so here the correct option is option A. Yes friend, on 1st November 1858, Queen Victoria declared that British government will take the direct charge of India. Okay friends, move on to the next question. The revolt of 1857 at Lucknow was led by. Okay friend, this is also most repeated question. Option A Begum Hazrat Mahal, option B Tatia Topi, option C Rani Lakshmi Bai, and option D Nana Sahib. Okay friends, so the revolt of 1857 at Lucknow was led by option A will be the correct option, Begum Hazrat Mahal. Okay, so friends, here very important, every year asks that who was the leader of Lucknow during Sipai mutiny, who was the leader of Kanpur. Okay, so Kanpur, if you have to answer who was the leader of Kanpur, then it will Nana Sahib. Then Tatia Topi, if you have to say that Tatia Topi also Kanpur, both related to the Kanpur. Okay, and now next, Rani Lakshmi Bai belongs to Jhansi. She was the leader of Jhansi. And Bahadur Shah II was the leader of Delhi. Okay, Bahadur Shah II. And Liaquat Ali was the leader of Allahabad. India War of Independence 1857, that was a famous book, is written by, you have to answer. So India War of Independence 1857 is written by option A S.N. Sen, option B R.C. Majumdar, option C B.D. Savarkar, and option D S.B. Chaudhary. Okay friends, so the correct option is option C, B.D. Savarkar was the writer of the book India War of Independence 1857. Yes friend, let's see the next question. The birthplace of Rani Lakshmi Bai of 1857 freedom struggle is. So friends, we all know that the Lakshmi Bai, the queen of Jhansi, is related to Jhansi, but that was her in-laws home. Okay, so here we have to answer what was the birthplace of the queen Lakshmi Bai. Okay, option A Agra, option B Jhansi, option C Varanasi, and option D Vrindavan. So friend, the birthplace of Rani Lakshmi Bai was Varanasi. So option C is the correct option. Okay friends, move on to the next question. The modern history who called the revolt 1857 as the first war of independence. Okay friend, so the correct option is V.D. Savarkar. Okay, next question. Which one of the following territories was not affected by the revolt of 1857? So friends, options are option A Jhansi, option B Chittor, option C Jagdishpur, and option D Lucknow. So friends, here the correct option will option B. Yes friend, Chittor was unaffected by the Sipai mutiny. Okay friends, move on to the next question. Who was the Governor General of India during the Sipai mutiny? Okay friends, move on. Let's see the options. Option A Canning, Lord Canning. Option B Lord Dalhousie. Option C Lord Hastings, and option D Lord Lytton. So who was the Governor General during Sipai mutiny? This is often come in WBCS. And other PSC exam also, and in SSC also. Most repeated question, very important friend. Okay, so the correct option is Lord Canning. Okay, and we should also remember one thing, that he was the first viceroy and the last Governor General of India also. Okay friends, let's see the next question. The revolt of 1857 at Delhi was led by, already we said it, I said that. So the revolt of 1857 at Delhi was led by option A Begum Hazrat Mahal, option B Kunwar Singh, option C Nana Sahib, and option D Bahadur Shah II. So friend, here the correct option is option D Bahadur Shah II. So friend, Begum Hazrat Mahal, here revise it once again. Okay, So Begum Hazrat Mahal was the leader of Lucknow. Okay. Kunwar Singh was the leader of Bihar from Jagdishpur. And Nana Sahib from Kanpur. Okay. Let's see the next question. Which one of the first newspaper published in Bengali language? So this is also most repeated question in WBCS PSC exam. Okay. Option A, Sambad Prabhakar. Option B, Bengal Gazette. Option C, Hindu Patriot. And option D, Anand Bazar Patrika. So friends, right option is option A. Sambad Prabhakar is the first newspaper published in Bengali language. Friend, here you may confuse. Some may opt option B for Bengal Gazette. But I will say that if you have to say first newspaper, because we will have to say the daily newspaper, so that is Sambad Prabhakar. But if you have to answer the weekly newspaper, then you can say Bengal Gazette. Okay friends, so this all for this segment. If you are preparing for any competitive exam just like SSC, railway or state VCS, you can subscribe our channel, you can do like, share and subscribe our videos and press the bell icon for regular update. Okay friends, thanks, keep watching, stay well, keep studying. Thanks for watching the video.